Winter fun is all around. Scarves and mittens keep us warm. Coats and boots for the snowstorm. Hats on heads, snug and tight. Winter clothes feel just right. Hot chocolate is a winter treat. Steaming cup, so warm and sweet. Cookies bake, their smell so nice. Winter snacks are full of spice. Look at the squirrels hiding their food. Preparing for winter, they're in the mood. Birds fly south, far and wide. Winter's chill, they don't want to hide. Sliding on sleds down the hill. Laughing and shouting, what a thrill. Snowball fights with friends so near. Winter play brings so much cheer. Frosty mornings, snowy skies. Winter fun is a sweet surprise. Building snowmen, sledding fast. Winter joys will always last. Icicles hang from the roof so tall. Sparkling bright, they could break and fall. Frosty windows with patterns so neat. Winter art that can't be beat. Inside we sit by the fire's glow, reading stories while the cold winds blow. Blankets wrapped, cozy and tight. Winter evenings feel just right. Stars in the sky, so clear and bright. Winter's quiet fills the night. The moon shines down on snowy trees. A winter night feels like a breeze. Hot soup in bowls, steaming high, warming us up as we say goodbye. Carrots and noodles, warm and neat. Winter meals are such a treat. Ice skating on the frozen lake. Gliding and spinning, what a great break. Snowboarders race, fast and free. Winter sports are fun to see. Frosty mornings, snowy skies. Winter fun is a sweet surprise. Building snowmen, sledding fast. Winter joys will always last. Wow, winter is so fun! From snowmen to hot chocolate, there's so much to love. Thanks for singing. Stay cozy.
Let's learn and play together. Do subscribe for more amazing videos.